This is Travelling Medicine, a space where we share life as it's actually lived. The travel, the food, the people, the laughter, and the quieter moments in between. So take a breath, settle in, and travel with us.
Alright guys, so we're here at the secret waterfall in Ubud Bali, and this place is dope. Check this out. I mean, my goodness, it doesn't get better than this. Oh look, she found a way. So there's a way to probably get to way back there. But before I take you guys there, check this out. Got a nice little natural shower right there. Flowing water. People bathing all the way down there. And let's follow this trail. I feel like I'm in Tomb Raider right now. There she is. She found a way up to another platform. Wow. Look at this. This is just incredible. It's majestic. Alright, let's see what's up here. Wow. This is a cool little excursion. Another little waterfall right there, hidden in the background. That's where this fresh water is coming from. This is beautiful. Little muddy. That's okay. Wow. Alright, gotta get my hands dirty on this one. Okay. Wow. Okay.
Up and around instead of through here.
No, we can go around this way. Oh, you're good. She just ran into a spider web.
Some fast flowing water. There's a lot of water moving through this.
Wow. What do you think about this place?
It's cool.
A lot of mozzies?
Well, a lot of mozzies. Yeah, there's a few. It's the first time we've really sort of come into what looks like a very jungly experience. Very fast flowing water, beautiful water, clean, fresh, refreshing. It'd be nice to be able to go for a little swim in there. But I feel like the water is actually quite turbulent as well. It's very fast flowing. It would probably take you with it for sure.
You think so?
You would have to be a pretty good swimmer to not let it take you, for sure. You could probably swim over to the edge, but it wouldn't be a very casual kind of like, you'd probably swim against the current up to the waterfall. That'd be nice. But beautiful walk down.
Yeah, bunch of mozzies here. But what would you expect? We're in the jungle. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Shit. Hello everyone, Shaman Gabriel. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also check out this video right here that YouTube thinks you will really enjoy. Thank you for tuning in.